not really here for a long time, so let we have a good time. While we passing, we just passing. It's fast, we passing, we just passing. So let we take a life too short to be stressing over small things.
Thank to Jaja, we wake up this morning. We don't really care for a long time, so let we have a good time. Yes, we passing.
We just passing. It's fast, we passing.
So try your best to spend your time with the people them that you really like.
Woman and woman fighting for man.
Try your best not to get in no arguments with nobody.
Family still fighting.
Live life right. Live life real. Live life positively. Cause life too short to be stressing over small things. Thank to Jata we wake up this morning. We don't really care for a long time.
So
Sister Nelky, good morning.
We passing.
We passing.
We just passing.
It's past, we passing.
We passing. We just passing.
So let we take a
jump up together, wake up together,
drink up together.
Cause we not there forever. Let we jump up together, wake up together, drink up together. Cause we not there forever. Well, round and a good again. Woman and woman fighting for man.
Six, and he shall find a right now. Find a big truth.
Family still fighting for man. Life too short to be stressing over small things. Thank you, Jaja, we wake up this morning.
Cause we don't really here for a long time, so let we have a good time.
Well, we passing, we just passing. It's fast, we passing.
I start off this session here, look like I have to fly home quick and change my shot before I go do the other people that walk.
Jump up together.
I'm done with
together. Drink up together.
Cause this is where forever. Jump up together, drink up together,
drink up together. Cause we not there forever. We not there forever. Life unpredictable, so we have to pray up.
Some people go to sleep and never wake up.
We never get the signal when we next up.
You know me?
No heads up.
So if you love somebody, tell them that your enemies, don't hold them on your heart. We not really here for a long time, so let we have a good time.
Well, we passing, we just passing. It's fast, we passing, we just passing. So let we take a jump up together, wake up together, drink up together. Cause we not there forever. Let we jump up together, wake up together, drink up together. Cause we not there forever. I don't want to take this life for granted.
I want to see the seeds that I planted.
I want to live to see my grandkids, but in reality,
my life is not my own.
Thank you, Jaja, me wake up this morning.
Cause we not really here for a long time, so let we have a good time.
Might be passing, we just passing. It's fast, we passing, we just passing. So let we take a jump up together, wake up together, drink up together. Cause we not there forever. Let we jump up together, wake up together, drink up together. Cause we not there forever.
Yes, I can hear them saying, boy, stop living in the past. Where can I find that energy, the raw magic that that comes down from the grassroots. Yes, I'm from a place where soca there is sounding power. You could feel it.
Yes, we name, can't change a time.
No shower.
I'm your favorite uncle. It's a midweek Wednesday. It's all about the hits and giggles.
Come from when ground used to carry it. We used to carry it when the ground used to carry it. We used to carry it when the ground used to carry it. We used to carry it when the ground used to carry it. We used to carry it when Arima had it. Maturita had it. Santa Rosa had it. Donyaruka had it. In Mofa had it. In Sawa had it. Soparia had it. Local over. Downtown Fed was the vibes when West people live from Lincoln, John and B-Town to head to the playground and who they link inside. Arima and Central, Tobago and Southside. The traffic on it some morning down the by West Morin. Have cars parking like a garage. Me drinks bottle long like ruler in a cooler and we chipping down the mouse to from Canada. Them time did it.
Some used to carry it.
We used to carry it on the ground.
We used to carry it.
We used to carry it on the flat.
We used to carry it.
We used to carry it on the...
You see this junior? This junior is for everybody in the Caribbean who know how carnival used to be to what carnival and celebration is now.
Yes, I can hear them saying, boys, stop living in the past.
But we can't stop because it used to be sweeter then.
Energy, the raw magic that
we used to have more fun then.
Yes, I'm from a...
We used to do all kind of things. We walked through the village, we helped them build the carnival booths. Don't care if it rain or not, you know how to skip the puddles of mud. We used to be in the village from morning to morning, we don't go home. We used to lime from morning to morning, we stay where we be. Now the new system shows them finishing a tree, sending you on the road, go do all kind of crew, you know what I mean? When I think we got to come back to it. They say next year's 55 years of carnival. They make it long, but long with no substance, what I feel. Just a lot more days. But put some substance in it. Show them where we 55 years of carnival brought us to be. You know what I mean? I know plenty of you out there agree with me, though. I know plenty of you out there agree with me, though. Look here.
Yes, I can hear them saying, boys,
stop living in the past.
Where can I find out?
But where I come from
magic that comes
is all I know.
Yes, I'm from a place where soca there is.
I ain't play mass in decades. But 55 years, if it done right, we playing mass. I know when they grow.
We used to carry it. We used to carry it when they grow. We used to carry it. We used to carry it when they grow. We used to carry it. We used to carry it when they grow. We used to carry it. We used to carry it when Arima had it. Maturita had it. Santa Rosa
have it.
Donyaruka
have it.
In Mofa.
I know when St. Peter's used to come down. When Dung Street used to mash up the place.
Was the vibes when West people live.
When the ladies them just didn't care, find the fire to come to enjoy themselves.
Arima and Central, Tobago and Southside. The traffic on it some.
Now everybody half naked.
Smoring half cars parking like a garage.
Don't understand it.
Like ruler in a cooler.
I'm trying to figure out how we get to where we is. I say when they
we used to carry it. We used to carry it on the ground. We used to carry it. We used to carry it on the flag.
When you had Eddie Williams, when you had the gums with them, when you had Congolese, when we had all them special drinks, everything was standard. Whiskey on the rocks, Hennessy on the rocks, everything on the rocks.
30,000 people of different background, confusion, PSA ground shaking like an earthquake. But everyone was fine, it was when hot girl wine. We used to say the downtown massive and the uptown massive with no fences to separate. And it was like a rite of passage when your clothes get damaged, just you start fretting by the gate. Then time did it go, we used to carry it. We used to carry it up and down, we did carry it. We used to carry it when the flag, who did carry it. We used to carry it when the band, who did carry it. We used to carry it, Marabella had it, and Santa Cruz had it, Pinto had it, Palo Seco had it, Arna Shishes had it, Chula File sound, nothing else ain't echo but sound. Big C, he used to live with to make sure that they touch ground. Big flag flapping all over like wind. Chocolate baby jumping with light spin. Them time a man drop a tune 2 weeks into carnival and take away everything. 10 times in the ground, used to carry it. We used to carry it to the ground, used to carry it. We used to carry it up strong when we carry it. We used to carry it up and down when we carry it. Yeah, when we carry it, when all of you had it. Komoto had it, Malaba had it, Lokita had it, Malone had it, Forte had it, Delomate had it, Monte had it.
It's about that time, man, where I gotta get myself on out of here. As usual, me's had a good time with you this morning. Me's had a real good time with you this morning. Hey, I gotta say love, peace, and hair grease to one and all, man. And remember, if you got nobody loving you, you keep on loving yourself unconditionally because it starts with you. It's a midweek Wednesday morning. I got the party started for you straight down to the weekend. Remember, if you're kicking up this morning and you feel like drinking, please don't go on the government road. Please don't go on the government road. If you're drinking, please don't be driving. If you're driving, please don't be drinking. Find yourself a designated driver. I call them double D's. And it's not a bra. It's a partner, a lady you could drive with so you're safe. If you're home and your vibes in with me, well, thank you. And if you're on the road and your vibes in with me, thank you again. If you're on the job and your vibes in with me, I know you want to finish work now. I know you want to leave work when I leave. But I must say, I'm going to tell those that listening this morning, you see, man, like Kungale always locked in. You see, my nephew Shelly always locked in. Miss Houston always locked in. My hands have got locked in, but I ain't saying nothing on that part. Good morning. Saying good morning to St. Kitts, Nevis, Antigua, Montserrat, Barbuda, Trinidad and Tobago, Aruba, Bonaire, Curacao, and the rest of the island, them, the UK, the US of A, the Netherlands, and Accra, Ghana. Good morning. If you're by SZV and in one of the offices are saying good morning to you. You see the banking system, WIB, RBC, PSB, Orca Bank, Banco di Caribe. I know my darling Miss Pontiff that she listening, so good morning, baby girl. Sending a beautiful good morning going out to Miss Sharon. Have yourself a great day today. CEBE people, them that work in the car and rental man, them that work in good morning. My brothers, my sisters, my auntie, my uncle, my nieces, my nephews, the men and women in blue, ambulance deans. Good morning. Me, I still loyal. I good like Selassie, I briefcase. If I in your life, I in your life. So in the mood of the morning is part of you. And it's your favorite uncle, baby. So I'm going to say peace, love, and hair grease to one and all. Remember, if you got nobody loving you, you keep on loving yourself unconditionally. That's what I do. Because it starts with you. And if you shoot for the moon and you miss, you'll always be amongst the stars because you are a star in your own right. Don't you dare forget it. You know we got oxygenate the radio right after I leave because we got oxygen in the building. She coming in next. She just turn it up in the morning time. Trying to find somebody right after oxygen, so 105.5 could go the whole morning, lock the door. You got nothing else to do. But set your dial, lock it and tear the knob off the socket. There's nothing else. But your favorite uncle say, much love to you. I'm out! So we made through them. Saying good morning to all my loyal soldiers. You know I love you.